Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the counting of the numbers from 51 to 80 in the mathematics of class first. We have 5 bundles, which means 50, and 1 loose matchstick. So 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. 5 tens and 1 ones. 51. इसे 51 कहते हैं. Now we have 5 bundles, which means 50 and 2 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. 5 tens and 2 ones. 52. इसे 52 कहते हैं. Five bundles means 50 and 3 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. 5 tens and 3 ones. 53. इसे 53 कहते हैं. Now 5 bundles means 50 and 4 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. 5 tens and 4 ones. 54. इसे 54 कहते हैं. Five bundles means 50 and 5 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. 5 tens and 5 ones. 55. इसे 55 कहते हैं. Now we have 5 bundles, which means 50 and 6 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. 5 tens and 6 ones. 56. इसे 56 कहते हैं. Now we have 5 bundles means 50 and 7 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 7 is equal to 57. 5 tens and 7 ones. 57. इसे 57 कहते हैं. Now here we have 5 bundles means 50 and 8 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. 5 tens and 8 ones. 58. इसे 58 कहते हैं. Here we have 5 bundles means 50 and 9 loose matchsticks. So 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. 5 tens and 9 ones, 59. इसे 59 कहते हैं। Here we have 5 bundles means 50 and another 1 bundle which means 10. So 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. 6 tens and 0 ones, 60. इसे 60 कहते हैं। 60 में हमारे पास 6 बंडल्स हैं 10 टेंस वाले, तो टेंस प्लेस पर 6 हुआ और कोई लूज मैस्टिक नहीं है, इसीलिए वंस प्लेस पर 0 होता है। नाउ वी हैव 6 बंडल्स मीन्स 60 and 1 लूज मैस्टिक। So 60 plus 1 is equal to 61. 6 tens and 1 ones, 61. इसे 61 कहते हैं। Here we have 6 bundles means 60 and 2 loose mastics. So 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. 6 tens and 2 ones, 62. इसे 62 कहते हैं। Here we have 6 bundles means 60 and 3 loose mastics. So 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. 6 tens and 3 ones, 63. इसे 63 कहते हैं। Now, how many bundles are there? Yes, 6. So, 60 and 4 loose mastics. So, 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. 6 tens and 4 ones, 64. इसे 64 कहते हैं। We have 6 bundles means 60 and 5 loose mastics. So 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. 6 tens and 5 ones, 65. इसे 65 कहते हैं। Here we have 6 bundles means 60 and 6 loose mastics. So 60 plus 6 is equal to 66. 6 tens and 6 ones, 66. इसे 66 कहते हैं। Here we have 6 bundles which means 60 and 7 loose mastics. So 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. 6 tens and 7 ones, 67. इसे 67 कहते हैं। Here we have 6 bundles means 60 and 8 loose match sticks. So 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. 6 tens and 8 ones. 68. इसे 68 कहते हैं. Here we have 6 bundles, which means 60, and 9 loose match sticks. So 60 plus 9 is equal to 69. 6 tens and 9 ones. 69. इसे 69 कहते हैं. Here we have 6 bundles, means 60, and 1 more bundle, which means 10. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Here 7 tens and 0 ones. 70. इसे 70 कहते हैं. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 7 बंडल्स हैं, यानी 7 टेंस हैं, और कोई भी लूज मैच स्टिक्स नहीं है, तो वंस प्लेस पर 0 है. Now we have 7 bundles, which means 70, and 1 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. 7 tens and 1 ones. 71. इसे हम 71 कहते हैं. Now we have 7 bundles, which means 70, and 2 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 2 is equal to 72. 7 tens and 2 ones. 72. इसे 72 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, means 70, and 3 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 3 is equal to 73. 7 tens and 3 ones. 73. इसे 73 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, which means 70, and 4 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 4 is equal to 74. 7 tens and 4 ones. 74. इसे 74 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, which means 70, and 5 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. 7 tens and 5 ones. 75. इसे 75 कहते हैं. Now we have 7 bundles, which means 70, and 6 loose match sticks. So 70 plus 6 is equal to 76. 7 tens and 6 ones. 76. इसे 76 कहते हैं. Now look here, we have 7 bundles, which means 70 and 7 loose matchsticks. So 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. 7 tens and 7 ones. 77. इसे 77 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, which means 70 and 8 loose matchsticks. So 70 plus 8 is equal to 78. 7 tens and 8 ones. 78. इसे हम 78 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, which means 70 and 9 loose matchsticks. So 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. 7 tens and 9 ones. 79. इसे हम 79 कहते हैं. Here we have 7 bundles, which means 70 and 1 more bundle, which means 10. So 70 plus 10 is equal to 80. 8 tens and 0 ones. 80. इसे हम 80 कहते हैं. 80 में हमारे पास 8 बंडल्स हैं, यानी 8 टेंस हैं और कोई भी लूज मैस्टिक्स नहीं है, मीन्स 0 वंस हैं. तो 80 में 8 टेंस और 0 वंस होते हैं. That's all for now. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates.